A step-by-step guide on how you can delete your Google Ads account. First, you will Google search for Google Ads and log in with your credentials. Then we gotta go to account settings. In the top right corner, so in the top right, you will click on tools and settings, which is going to be the wrench icon. And under the setup section, you will select preferences. Afterwards, we can cancel our account. So on the preferences page, we'll scroll down to the account status section and you will see the option to cancel account, and you just gotta click on that link. Afterwards, you will confirm the cancellation. Google will prompt you with some questions asking you why you're canceling your account. Answer these questions if required and confirm the cancellation. And afterwards, your account will be canceled. So your Google Ads account will be cancelled and your ads will stop running. However, you can still access the account to view past performance and your billing history. I hope this answered your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.